Hi everyone, in this video I will introduce you to the Blickle locking system Ideal Stop. Locking systems are generally used to lock a swivel caster and to prevent self-reliant movement of a trolley. At the Ideal Stop, when the brake pedal is activated, both swivel head and wheel are locked. In comparison to other locking systems, the brake pedal is mounted to the top plate and thus it is independent of the swivel motion of the caster. In real life, this means it doesn't matter whether the trolley is pushed or pulled, it is always possible to activate the locking system, and therefore the health and safety is increased within an application. Another option is to connect two Ideal Stops with a steel bar, and therefore with only one activation both casters are locked at the same time. Another option is the Ideal Stop with a release pedal, which means with this release pedal you can easily deactivate the caster. At Blickle there are a lot of more locking system options. These options I will explain to you in another video. Until then, goodbye and see you soon.